In today's digital age, the demand for tech skills is ever growing. Imagine a place where your tech dreams meet real learning. Welcome to DCC Learn, the tech learning platform designed for you. Whether you're curious about coding, eager to build apps, or dreaming of designing stunning interfaces, DCC Learn has the resources to help you grow. We've carefully selected courses to guide you through base languages, UI/UX design, front-end development, back-end frameworks, mobile app development, and artificial intelligence. And the best part? It's all open access. No sign-ups, no payments required. Just pick a course and learn at your own pace. Join our vibrant community on WhatsApp, where learners and mentors collaborate, share insights, and grow together. And because we're always growing, your feedback matters. Share your thoughts, suggestions, or course ideas, though our feedback form. Embark on your tech journey today with DCC Learn and unlock your potential.